That's really what I'm going to be using this tool for, is driving Facebook ads and Instagram ads to my Amazon product. There was always a disconnect there, and it was always kind of awkward to figure out, is this really working? I used the example today. I was talking to one of my students. I was like, it's kind of like buying a billboard. It's like, did that work? I don't know. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to be going over Portals by Helium 10. I was really excited when they announced this. Of course, I was in the middle of a move, so I couldn't really do anything about it. But I just spent the first few hours of my day setting my first portal up and really reading into how it really works and how to set it up the right way. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's jump right into that. We're going to head over into my computer. All right, so what we're looking at now is the dashboard of Portals by Helium 10. It's really straightforward, for lack of a better word. It's kind of foolproof. This is not going to be like Ads Manager by Facebook, where it's, you kind of need to learn it before you can really efficiently use it, at least for most people. And this, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do, obviously, if you don't have Helium 10, you could get this down in the description. If you're just checking out for fun, that's cool too. But if you actually want to use this, I have a link down below and you could get a discount. You save yourself some money. The first thing you're going to do is come right up here to Portals. It's just the Portals tab. If you go to your normal Helium 10 website, if you've already been using it for a little while, that's where you're going to be heading. So nice and easy there. We're just going to click on Portals. Then you're going to land on this. This is our dashboard. You can see I just set one up pretty recently. We have 15 visits. They're all from me doing tests. 2 active portals. I have a thank you page and a landing page. We'll get into that. What we're going to be jumping into here is just a quick overview. And then once you're familiar with the layout of it, we're going to be going into how to build your first portal. So here's your dashboard. You can see how many you have active, your total visits. And of course, if you scroll over this is kind of like an interactive chart here. You can see April 7th, that's today. We have all of our information here. Total clicks and then emails collected. So emails collected, what is that? If we go over here, we have this super easy sidebar. It's just going to be customer information, portals, templates, dashboard settings, and then create a new portal. If you ever want to create a new portal, this button is supposedly always going to be here, so it's really simple. You could just go ahead and that's how you would create a new one, which we'll be getting to. We're on dashboard already. So down here, if you have multiple portals, which I did just for the sake of this video, you can see I have the actual landing page for my product, but then I have a thank you one as well. And you can see this would be a great way if you were driving Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Google ads to your product. You can maybe compare ad sets there, right? So maybe one, I'm selling this macrame shelf here. One ad set I'm targeting people who like macrame. The other one I'm targeting people who like boho decor. Right, and we could compare those. I could create 2 different portals side by side, and that's where this really starts to get fun. So if I didn't mention that already, that's really what I'm going to be using this tool for, is driving Facebook ads and Instagram ads to my Amazon product. There was always a disconnect there, and it was always kind of awkward to figure out, is this really working? I used the example today. I was talking to one of my students. I was like, it's kind of like buying a billboard. It's like, did that work? I don't know. So yeah, there's no really conversions with billboards, right? You don't really know how well it's working. And that's for the longest time. Shopify, you have it easy because you have all your metrics there. You can see if they added to cart, you could, it's perfect. But with Amazon, you don't own the website. So you can't install your own pixel onto Amazon, of course. This is going to allow us a page to install a pixel and catch that customer before they head over to Amazon. So it's great. So yeah, if you have 2 different ad sets, you can compare them directly there by visits, portals by clicks, and just very simple. We have a click-through rate and then email collection down here. Then we're going to go over to, I guess the next thing we could do is like you could look at customer information. So this is where you could really start building an email list, right? If you have a product like mine that's kind of built into a niche, and you could eventually, if you have a product that you launch that's similar to this, launch to all of these customers, give them a 50% off discount, coupon code, and then on day 1, maybe you could get, anywhere from 10 to a few hundred sales of your new product if you really have a big list. Don't worry, these are all just fake little emails and names that I made up for my own testing. So I'm not giving away anyone's information here. Paulie is me. I'm just doing some testing earlier to see how it works. So finally, we could go over to templates. We'll view all these. They do have a couple pre-made landing pages. Currently, these are what you can use. They said they will be updating them in the future and constantly kind of refining them. I think I went with the modern product sales. I like the look of that one best. The dark theme didn't really do it for me. Some of these other, there's an ocean, a fancy, a modern, and a minimal. And I guess classic here. So I went with modern. Just a few templates you could go through. Makes it really easy to just pop in whatever font you want in your pictures. All right, so let's jump into actually building the portal itself. So we're gonna come over here to portals, of course. You can see the ones that I have active here. You can see visits, 16 again, they're all from me. Oh, you know what? One of those is not for me. I made a Facebook ad today for the first time in a while, and I guess someone clicked on it. All right, first win. Just kidding. One click, hey, if they bought it, we never know. So, first thing we're gonna do, I just wanna show you kind of what it's gonna look like when we're all done. We're gonna come up here to create new portal, or you could come over here on the sidebar to create new portal. Let's just click on this one, that's fine. All right, cool, so here's the 3 different portal types that you can choose from. We have product sales page, which is gonna be, if I could guess, the most used one that everyone's gonna be doing. That's kind of what got me excited. Email opt-in page, and then a thank you page. So we'll do product sales page. We'll save the other ones. I'm sure I'll be able to make several videos about this, from setting up your pixel to actually making Facebook ads. That's something I've never touched on that I've actually done a lot of. So product sales page. We're going to be going into an Amazon product URL. So everyone here that's watching this video, or maybe not, you should have one of these. So go take your product URL. This is my product here. Take the whole URL, we're just gonna take that, we're gonna drop it right into, click this apparently. Cool, so now we have it here. You can see they're already gonna kind of craft you a bit of a landing page based on your bullet points and your pictures and your title, of course. We got the title here, that's fine, regular price. They're showing the discount, which is amazing. We already have all of our pictures have been uploaded right from Amazon. And the only thing we really need to do is kind of add in our bullets. Not 2, why am I doing 2? Add in our bullets, space it out a little bit. So maybe it'll condense it. Let me just fix that. There we go. And that's perfect, just like that. If you have an Amazon listing, you can do this, right? It's fairly easy. It doesn't take very long to do. So then we're just gonna hit save and continue. You could adjust any of these metrics here if you wanna change this, 99, geez, I mean, we have a big discount here. I mean, that's not the right one, but you could do any of this, right? So, oh, it's gonna keep the discount the same, I see. Of course, you wouldn't change your ASIN, but you would change maybe your title, or you wanted to change these a little bit for your landing page. You can surely do that here. I just noticed that little error as well. So now we're gonna be hitting save and continue. We're on to the next step. You can kind of see it gives you a workflow up here, what you're gonna be doing, and then we'll be ending with design. And then that's probably where this video will end. So we'll move over to integrations. This is what really got me excited. Like I've heard that you could attach a Facebook pixel to an Amazon product, and I was just like, so we're gonna grab our Facebook pixel. I'm actually not going to grab my Facebook pixel because I don't want to share it, right? You could literally just take my pixel and then skew all my information. So I'm not gonna put mine there right now. You could see, look up here, just look up there. I didn't even zoom into the right thing. My Facebook pixel is open. It's very easy to grab one. Again, if you guys want a whole nother video, be sure to comment down below, right? I can't read mine, so if you want a video specifically on the Facebook side of things, creating an ad to go to this landing page, you gotta comment, say, hey, we wanna see that. And then the next one is deep linking. What that means is that if someone is on mobile and they click on your landing page and then they go to Amazon, it's gonna bring them to Amazon mobile, right? It'll open up their app and bring them there. So it's a really nice integrated, smooth transition for them. Sometimes if you send someone to Amazon on a mobile device from like a Facebook ad and it opens Amazon on their browser, it's a little awkward because you have to like re-sign into your Amazon, and a lot of people don't even know their accounts. They just save everything. I'm kind of guilty of that. So a lot of times you could just lose the sale right there. They might have been ready to just hit add to cart, but people, are kind of quick, right? They're snappy. They like things to work. So I would not see a reason not to turn that on. I'll just turn that on. But that's, if you're wondering, that's what it does. And you can see here, we could add any custom, you could add your Facebook pixel, a Google Analytics account ID. You could also add a custom tracking code for Snapchat, or maybe in the future TikTok, and really get ahead of advertising on different platforms. We're gonna do save and continue. Cool, here's where this gets really fun. So we have your URL. This means that when someone clicks on your landing page button that says buy now or buy on Amazon, you could customize what the button says. It's gonna let you choose where to send them. So I've tested a lot of these. My favorite one so far is probably this 2-step via hidden keyword. What that does is, I'll show you. You can of course do a custom. So if you just know exactly where you want to send them just right to the product page or add to cart, you could do so. But if you do this 2-step via hidden keyword, it's almost like it's helping your Amazon sales rank in a way. Because what you can do is put macrame shelf. That's the product that I'm ranking for and continue to rank for. You can do add URL. So what that's gonna do is target specific keywords when sending customers to Amazon by restricting products using ASIN as a hidden keyword. So now check this out. If we were to copy this and then go do this, check this out. So you can see that ASIN is up there. That's the hidden keyword, hidden keywords equals ASIN. We've searched macrame shelf and now they're going to click on this. So to Amazon, essentially, no, I can't verify this, but this is in theory how this works. Amazon looks at this as if we just searched macrame shelf and then clicked on this product. So it may help us rank for these keywords. It can't hurt at the very least. It's a nice way to do it. So I would go with that one for now. You can mess around with any of these. I've also done custom and just drove them right to my Amazon page. And there's several other ones here. For instance, we could sit here and read these, but you can go read them yourself if you want to try all of them. You know, essentially you're just grabbing a URL. You go ahead and pick any one you want and go ahead and use it. We're gonna move over to publishing now. Oh, we have to hit save and continue. I kept doing that today when I was doing it. So say your product's not into Amazon yet, you know when it will be. Maybe you need a couple days to let it in. You wanna get ahead of things, you could schedule it. We don't need to schedule it, we're just gonna be releasing this today. So enable email collecting, absolutely. So that's probably the most important thing to do. I don't see much of a point of using this if you're not going to collect emails, maybe just for fun to see clicks, but enable coupons. So I would do these kind of in pairs. If you don't hit enable coupons, when they hit the buy button on your landing page, it's just going to ask them for an email. And at least I know that I really don't sign up for lists or email things unless I'm getting something. So it's a classic trade-off. It's like, I'll give you my email if you give me a coupon for your product. So this is a great place to use a coupon code for your Amazon product because then they have to put in their email to claim the coupon. Does that make sense? So we're gonna do claim coupon, and coupon code we will just put as test coupon. You would be getting the real thing, of course. You'd be going, it's very simple. If you haven't, if you don't know how to do that, you just go to advertising in Seller Central, down to coupons, create a social media promo code. You could do that way. You could use single use. You could do a bunch of different kinds that, whatever you want, really. Just that's how you would do it. Now we're gonna go save and continue. Now here's where we get to actually start building this thing and seeing what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna use this one again. This is the one I used the first time. We're gonna do modern. Now check that out. It's gonna import all of our information right into it. So this is already our sales page. And it continues on downward, of course. So it's beautiful. It almost builds you the landing page. All you have to do is fill in the text. Now, just to speed this up, I'm going to go ahead and take the text from my other one. But really, this is kind of straightforward. You're just going to be filling in these spots where, it gets you the old lorem ipsum. You're going to be filling in that with real text about your product. And I did that today, so I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me type out these paragraphs all over. Because we're already at this step, I'll just show you this one, and then we don't have to go back, because this is the last step anyway. That work for you guys? All right, great. So down here, you can see this is what we were just looking at, but this is just a little bit more optimized. So I filled these out, right, about our product. This is the name of the product. I like how they do this big discount button. You could change pretty much everything about all of this. If you want to change the text, right, you click in there and you could adjust anything. There are some different fonts you could choose from. You change the background color, right? If you wanted to make a text box, you could do something like that. I don't personally love that, so I'll probably keep that white. You could do like a slight tint, like a gray, you could get anything you want, right? So you could customize it fully. I'm gonna leave it white. I think it looks better. They're already gonna give you kind of this carousel option for your images, which will be imported straight from your Amazon listing. So if you already have great images, those will work just fine for you. Then of course you could do these kind of what looks like Amazon enhanced brand content, right? You scroll down here and there is pictures scattered nicely. You could do a little bit of copywriting here to try and get them to buy. And you've noticed this is normally just gonna say buy now. One tip I would give you is say buy on Amazon. So you wanna click in here, you can actually change what the button says. You do add to cart, you do anything like that. You could say go to Amazon, view on Amazon. Maybe view on Amazon might even be better than buy on Amazon. It's like a little bit less of a convicting word. So you could change that. We could do that right now. So at least we're changing something here, right? You on Amazon. But yeah, guys, all I did here, this was all pre-filled out like you saw before. All I've done is change the text. So if you're wondering how to do that, you just be editing it like you'd be editing your Amazon listing. And then I really like this area. This gives social proof. So what are customers are saying? Check out real reviews that Amazon customers have left below. And again, I actually added this part. So if you want to copy that, go right ahead. And then these are actual Amazon reviews. So they're just going to be imported straight in. I didn't have to do this. It was already done for me. And I think they're going to import the first five-star reviews. That may be how it works. I just noticed that's kind of how it worked for me. Most of my reviews are 5 stars anyway, but I think that's what it did. So yeah, you can scroll through here, look at reviews. That's really nice. I like that section a lot. And then we're gonna hit save and continue. Great. And you can see this is what will happen. So this is what will really happen. It'll say deploying, should only take a minute or two. We'll pop back in once it says active. All right, so it is active. Didn't take very long at all. So what that means now is we could actually, we could have previewed it before, I guess, but we could copy this link. And now this is the link that you'd be using for your Facebook ad, for your Instagram ad. You could really use this link for anything. This is the link you're gonna be driving traffic to. You'll notice that it says my name.portals.click. It's a little bit more friendly of a URL than say a bunch of random numbers, which will generate automatically. So if you wanna do that, you could come over here to settings. You could upload your logo and your own custom domain here. And then there's a Zapier key. I have a lot of, I don't want to say knowledge about Zapier, but I have used them quite a bit in the past. I actually used them for the free course website, and they were amazing in getting you to be able to download it without me having to be there to give you a code. And what you can do with that is say, here's an example. You could take all of the emails that you're collecting right here in customer information, and immediately as soon as you get their email, have Zapier send them a email sequence, right? So maybe the first email is, hey, welcome, thanks for signing up for a list. Here's a 10% off coupon on anything on our store. And then maybe down the line you go, hey, we see that you liked our product. Would you like to leave a review? And then you could go, hey, since you ordered this, we figured you'd like this as well. See what I'm saying? So we can actually start selling to an email list, which is amazing. That's really what's exciting about this tool. So let's go take a look at our landing page. We just copied that key. You can see I'm pasting it up in the URL. Go take a look. So this is actually where customers are gonna land. I have a Facebook ad driving directly to this URL right now. And this is where they're going to be landing. So they're gonna land on this. My Facebook ad says 36% off coupon for a cute macrame hanging shelf. Go claim your Amazon coupon before they're sold out. Something like that with some emojis. It's a good Facebook ad. It's a good ad. You can see our little Java Products logo is up here. And then if we click, that we just customized, right? We changed it to view on Amazon from buy on Amazon. We didn't do the rest of them, so I would probably change them all. But here you can see we have about our product. This is the landing page that we just built. We also have this really nice frequently asked questions area, which is auto-generated, which I really like. Why are you running this promotion? We're running this to sale to spread the word about this product. So these are automatically, again, I didn't have to fill these in. This is just always gonna be here. And you could, of course, change it if you want. So can I trust you? If you can trust Amazon, you can trust us. The entire purchase process will be handled by Amazon. That's really nice because sometimes when you're sending customers, for instance, from a Facebook ad to a random Shopify website, if they're not familiar with the website, they might not be so comfortable ordering it. But if we go, click view on Amazon, it's gonna take us here. Check this out. We'll do John Doe, willyboy9000 at gmail.com. Oh, really? No, that's valid. Come on. And then you're gonna do claim coupon, and check this out. Thank you for subscribing. So now, again, before, this is what I was trying to tell you before. If you didn't have a coupon attached, they would have just been giving you their email and then going to the page. So it's like, what's the point? I could just go to Amazon and search for this product now that I know about it without giving you my email. But now this is the only way to get that coupon. So you're giving them something in exchange for an email, right? What a lot of people don't think about is a lot of Amazon sellers, especially, just focus about the initial sale. Look how much I made this month, who cares? But what you can do here is grow a customer that comes back time and time again. Imagine if you were selling supplements and you had this tool. Send them to this landing page for creatine, then you get them on your email, you send them an email for L-glutamine, you send them an email for mushroom powder, right? So you can actually collect a lot of sales by using this. Here's their promo code. Now when they hit copy code and buy now, they're gonna be brought directly to this landing page URL that has macrame shelf in the search bar. They're gonna click on our product because they know exactly what it looks like because they just saw it here. And then they're gonna hit add to cart, hopefully. That's hopefully what happens if they don't get distracted before then. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you would build out your first portal. And then once you do, you'll notice this will be updated. So if we come back to dashboard, 15 is now upgraded to 18 because we've viewed our landing page a few times. So this is updating in live time. Watch, check this out. If I were to take we go to portals, you take this URL that we'd be driving traffic to. We just saw that it was 18. Say I'm a customer, I clicked on that, I landed here. We come back to dashboard and that 18 will turn into 19. So that's how fast it is. It's updating in real time. And then total clicks. I think clicks is the number of times that people, so that's where you get your conversion. How many people actually clicked on the buy on Amazon button, which is important. And then again, emails collected. We just did that John Doe one. So if we head back to customer information, we'll see John Doe, willyboy9000, and there they are. So we could actually export all these as a CSV file, and then we could create a lookalike audience on Facebook. There's so much we could do with this tool. Let me know down in the comments down below if you want to see me create a Facebook ad driving directly to this pixel. This is more just an overview on how to create the portal, but there's a lot that we can do. We can do that Zapier integration email marketing list. So this is definitely something I'm really excited about. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my Portals by Helium 10 tutorial. Hopefully that was real helpful for you and you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Right here, you can sign up for a call with me if you need more one-on-one advice. You can also watch another one of my videos right here, and you can subscribe right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video yet again, and I'll be seeing you guys here tomorrow for another video on the channel. Later.